Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a butter chicken karahi. For that, first of all, we have to prepare the marination batter. So I have taken 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 6 to 7 green cardamom, and 1 big bay leaf, and we will grind it. Now we will take chicken, almost 1 kg of chicken in a big bowl, and I will add the grinded masala into that chicken. After that, we will add 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. I will add 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. The amount of salt and chili totally depends on your taste. And almost 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Also add 100 ml of fresh cream into it. Actually, this fresh cream comes into the packet of 200 ml. So I have added 100 ml, like half of the packet I have added. We will put that in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. If you don't have time, you can just marinate it only for half an hour. Now in a non-stick pan, just take 1 teaspoon of cumin. So now I'm roasting and then grind it and keep it aside. I will take almost 4 tablespoons of almonds, and also we will powder them. Now we will make onion paste with the help of very little water. If you don't have a hand blender, you can mix it into the grinder. Now take a big pot and then add 1 cup of oil. Warm it on very low heat, and also add 50 grams of butter. Then add onion paste into it. Fry it until the onions change their color and gets reddish or pinkish, and then add the marinated chicken with batter. So mix the marinated chicken into the oil and onion paste and cover it up for just like 5 minutes on low heat. Done. Meanwhile, when you will open the cover, you will see that yogurt will leave lots of water. And you have to check out time by time. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to get the chicken fully cooked. You can check it out if it is fully tenderized or not. When oil gets separated from the masala, then it is actually fully cooked. And then we will add cumin powder, which we kept aside, and then black pepper ground, half teaspoon, and the almond powder, 5 tablespoons of almond powder. We will add it and we will mix it. And in the end, we will again add 50 grams of butter, and we will cover the lid again till the butter melts down.